It always starts the same for everyone. It's 2 a.m., you're lying in bed, and your thumb is scrolling through a digital rave of people who look richer, more attractive, and more successful than you. You feel that pit in your stomach, but instead of fixing it, you do what 99% of people do. You ignore the one thing that actually tells the truth. Your bank app. To most of you, that app is a horror movie. You're too scared to open it because you know exactly what's waiting inside. The ghost of that $18 DoorDash salad. The muffin the size of your regrets, and subscriptions for services you haven't used since 2022. You're living like a glitching robot. Today, we're ending the denial. We're turning that horror movie into a mirror, because tracking your money isn't about being stingy, it's about paying attention. Before you can fix your wallet, you have to fix your firmware. Most of you make your worst financial decisions because your brain is buffering. You wake up and immediately flood your prefrontal cortex with dopamine sludge from TikTok. Your willpower starts leaking like an old water bottle. You need a silent start. Before you check your balance or your texts, step outside and let the sun punch your eyeballs. This isn't just hustle culture, it's neuroscience. When you sync your circadian rhythm, you regulate the hormones that control impulsivity. Stop trying to outgrind a broken biological system. When you finally open that app, I want you to look for the patterns. Every dollar you spent last month is a mirror. It shows where you're acting out of emotion. I've been doing this for 5 years, and it changed my life. You think you're broke, but then you realize you're spending $350 a month at Starbucks. That's a system problem. Rice, beans, eggs, and potatoes. It's boring, it's cheap, and it's real. Every clean, home-cooked meal is biological proof that you are in control. Stop relying on motivation to save money. Motivation is the friend who disappears on leg day. You need systems. Specifically, you need the if-then algorithm. If I want to buy something over $50, then I must wait 48 hours. If it's Sunday night, then I plan my spending for the week. You have to remove the escape routes. Your brain is like a baby holding a hot lava cake. It has zero self-control when temptation is nearby. Delete the delivery apps. Block the shopping sites. The final stage of the Lotus method is the identity shift. Stop saying, I'm trying to save money. Start saying, I am a person who builds assets. When you change the label, your actions start chasing your identity like lost puppies. Discipline isn't about suffering, it's about peace. This starts with the most boring habits imaginable. Drink the water, make the bed, and track the dollar. These are small promises you keep to yourself. When you become trustworthy to your own brain, you don't have to chase results anymore. The results chase you. Stop looking for a magic smoothie and start building a foundation. Your boring era starts today. Open the app, look in the mirror, and remember, excitement burns fast, but rhythm lasts forever.